Hi there, we were trying to replace the saddle of the Mini-Mtb. So as you know, I'm one of those who like to use the Mini-Mtb rather than the full size MTB. So check it out. Okay, so here's our friend installing the new saddle. So the old one is out of commission because of the holes. Alright, the holes, and so when it rains, it doesn't really dry fast enough. So when I ride, my shorts my shorts get wet. So I thought I'd rather replace it, and there's a lot of things that we need to replace here or upgrade. Also check the channel of Azul World, who is also a mini mountain bike rider. He's been suggesting lots of upgrades for this little bike here. So we'll try to follow the suggested upgrades slowly but surely. Alright, so let's try to use the bike and figure out if it works.